Hello, what's going on, guys? It's the Market Estate. I have taken a short here. I'm fucking voicing this after it happened for some reason. I've just fucking unclicked on my mic and didn't record my audio, but I did take a very pre-market short, as I wrote down. But I'm confident in this setup. 15 minute, which I'll show the bigger confluences on why I took these shorts pre-market. Um, After this video, I'll do a little I'll go through on to why I took some shorts and why shorts I think were the best play in the morning. Market's currently pumping actually. For some reason, we didn't take the lows. We took the internal low, danced around, made three equal lows now. But yeah, I'm in a short. Gonna leave it here. I'll speed it up. You can watch it. And yeah, this is pretty much a very simple, easy trade. Changing the state as an SMT to that top left there, you can see um, changing the states have been respected, or every single bearish fair value gap that are in OTE or discount of the range um, have been respected, and it's just simple PA, just understanding where the market wants to go and what it's telling you, and it'll go there. Simple as that. So enjoy. And I'll be back in a second when we go to that next trade. I took two trades today, two wins, up 1500, about 16. I got 610 on another account and then 980 on this account. So we'll let it play. Now, as you can see, I did move my stop loss to break even on this because we were about to go into open, and obviously open has a due to swing or it will just go straight to a draw. So I just wanted a lot of free markets. You just want 930 just go straight to a low that you want as a target, and you just get out from there because it'll either be a due to swing, which might be manipulation, or anything. So when we got that SMT at the low, I was kind of like, oh, a bit hesitant on holding it and thinking that this might take a low because it could, of course, being a pre-market, it could take a high with another SMT, then go lower. So, but I was confident in this trade so much. There was no way in hell I was taking this thing out without taking that low. I didn't believe this SMT was going to hold. So when we were just about to take it in these in the pre-market, I was kind of like, yeah, well, we're definitely gonna take the low. I kind of wanted external. Obviously, now watching it play out, it didn't actually hit, but in the moment, I definitely wanted it. But yeah, like I said, open happens here soon in about 20 seconds, so um, you'll see that yeah, it plays out fucking beautifully. It was an amazing day. I've actually had probably one of the best weeks I've had. I didn't record yesterday, unfortunately, but yeah, it was just a nice, easy trade to spot and see, and luckily I got that as an opportunity before the rest. But you can see there that trade was absolutely beautiful. Um, but we will go on to the next. This was the second trade I took. So as you can see to the left, um, is the first trade I took. I don't actually take this second trade on the same account. I've got multiple accounts. So you won't see the arrows when I put the trade on because I do manage to change over my account. But here there actually isn't. So obviously I was still very bearish. I wanted that low being taken, and obviously we did not take it yet. So I was like, fuck it, I'll take another short. taken another account that I don't really care about losing. Um, low size, of course. I just took one contract on mini. I didn't want much. I wasn't going for 4 contracts, 5 contracts, or anything. But um, my first point of interest was actually this little in a 15-second fair value gap. But when we displaced through it, I kind of changed what I was looking at, and I recognized that I'm probably not looking at the right thing. And then that's, as you can see, I moved it to change my point of view on the market. Realize what I should be looking for and where price should want to reject to go lower. So, obviously we had 2 equal highs that I wanted to be swept on NQ because ES was nowhere near it. That's why I was so bearish today. So many equal lows, but still didn't take the low out. It's crazy. Anyway, you'll see how this trade plays out. So we've now got an SMT, and I want to take a short. There is no 15-second fair value gap though that would tell me to just enter. So I knew I had to wait a little bit longer. It wasn't going to be an instant move because my bread and butter is simply an SMT on the internal time frame. If you understand the doll, obviously, if you understand what the draw on liquidity is, you're pretty much going to be safe. You might get chopped up some days here and there, but I knew this SMT was going to hold. I just wanted to know when and where. I don't like taking too many extra risks. So, um, yeah, but like I said, this is still, to me, very positive. I wanted to take a short entry here, but because I don't know, I just hesitated. I won't lie. I hesitated on this one, so I waited a little bit. Just for more confirmation. There's nothing ever wrong in the market if you wait for confirmation. You don't have to put a trade on every second you see a setup if you're not confident. If you're not confident in something, it's better to recognize that you're not confident and wait instead of just go, oh, fuck it. We'll see if it wins or loses. Because that's when you're going to start losing a lot of money. So yeah, we ended up still playing around. I was waiting, understood where standard deviation was. And obviously we got another push through. I'll play it to when I actually enter because I think there's still a little bit of time. Now I did. This is where I started to get the idea that we could go short, but we didn't get the change in the state yet. Obviously, didn't close below, and I really wanted that change in the state for me to be able to take a trade. I was like, nah, because usually I'll just take a short now. I won't lie. But some, 50-50, I get bit in the ass. I'll take a short, and it'll stop me out or stop hunt me, and then it'll go. So I mean, this was still valid. I could have taken a short, had my stop loss at that high up there, but we got a really little internal SMT, and that's when I said to myself, I need an SMT here. Got the SMT, got double, but I need to change in the state. So we ended up making the change in the state, big dump, and I thought, oh no, we've lost the whole move, which is no big deal. In the market, there's no point stressing about stuff you can't get when it's too late. Don't have FOMO. So I was just like, oh shit, well, this obviously isn't happening. But I said to myself, if it comes back up to the change in the state, I'll take a short and I'll set and forget, confident. But so this trade, I had full conviction. I was very confident in this trade. Risk to reward, I wasn't happy on this trade, but I'll explain that a little bit more towards when I take out my trade, because then I'll make a lot more sense in the mindset that I was in at the time. So as you can see, I'm in the short. I had to cut it out because it showed me changing accounts, and yeah. So this trade, full conviction. I was happy with it. Um, wanted it to play out, and I'll explain. Let you watch, and I'll explain in a little second the reasons of pulling out, what my mindset was, and go from there. Well, good morning, good morning. This is the market estate. We'll get into it. Yeah, took this short off here earlier because of this SMT. I didn't really get back on that one, but absolutely lovely day. Didn't take this low out, and obviously you can see the market's all the way back up here, which is pretty wild in my opinion that we haven't taken out that low. But the reasons, we'll get into the reasons. If you look at the 4 hour, this is a clear understanding. 4 hour, we've respected this all week. I'll clear the charts up a little bit. Hang on a minute. 4 hour, this has been respected all week. You know, this is Monday all the way to Thursday. This has not been ran through. It's been wicked twice, um, making relatively actually equal highs as well. But you know, if you look at ES, the reason why I was so bearish is because like we had three. Well, we just had these two, and because this was respected, you know, I thought we'd want to take these out, then have, you know, TGIF tomorrow, TGIF, Jesus, have TGIF tomorrow, and then that will just place us back into the range. But today might be a little reversal. But yeah, as you can see here, and there's an SMT here as well, which gave me more confidence that we want to go lower. And then if you look at the 15-minute, you know, it was just very clear. Had an inverse 1 hour here. So we've broken through it and it come back up, made a little SMT here on the 15-minute, which to me was beautiful. That was lovely. Where is it? I think it's here. It was relatively equal highs, but to me, when ES makes relatively equal highs, it's an SMT. But yeah, had this SMT, had this change in the state, fair value gap, fair value, inverse fair value gap here got touched, respected, made the change in the state. We then had an SMT here. Oh, what the fuck am I doing? Then if I went into the 5-minute and I had this SMT here, which was on the change in the state on the higher time frame, as you can see, bodies respecting it, and it's just simply like, I don't know who watches this. This is mainly for me, but I like to say this to myself. It's very obvious when the body's open here, close here, and then instantly just closes below and wicks around the change in the state. We then had a displacement. You know, this fair value gap still getting respected-ish. It's super pretty, but then yeah, I went to the 1 minute and could see that this is like same here. We had a 1 minute here, got S&T'd at it in the inverse, and then same thing here, inverse, just respected. So I'm like, this is going to go at open. Waited, came back up, came back down. You zoom into the 15-second. You know, inverse here hasn't been ran through yet. We then run through it, and then yeah, this is also the change in the state on the lower time frame. Didn't actually get touched. Oh, I actually thought it did. Never mind. Go to the 1 minute. 1 minute was clear. I don't usually trade 1 minute, but this morning I actually did, and it fucking was beautiful. Yeah, then the same thing again. Had this inverse 1 minute, changing the stage down here, come through, came back up into the 1 minute inverse, 1 minute bearish, changing the state. You know, you can count it there if you wanted to. I don't really count that. I'd count down here mainly. Yeah, then took that short, was really confident, and it fucking played out beautifully. Same with this, lovely trade. So yeah, that's a quick little demonstration. I don't know why I was bearish coming into today if people were bullish, but you know, this is good though. Finally to have some bullish PA, like we've just been absolutely, like if we go to the daily, like it's just been such chop. Well, it's just been down like for the past like 2 and a bit weeks, we've just been straight down moves, nothing else. Finally taken out all these lows. Same with on ES. You know, that's very clear. You know, we've finally taken out all these equal lows. So interesting to see what Friday does. I'm actually not going to trade Friday because I've made a lot of money Monday to Thursday. I've had one. I don't think I've lost. I haven't lost a trade all week. Had a fucking amazing week. Will not lie. Very happy with this week. Um, Had some rough patches for the past couple of weeks, and then I finally went over my journal and fixed up my shit. So hope you all enjoyed. This is the Market Estate, and I will see y'all next time. Peace.